5, 6, 7, action!
Jack.
That's Fiona.
And this was our Picton intermediate classes.
So this is class number 3. We started off with shopping trolleys.
Yep.
So this is an idea that once a follower is in motion, they keep going under their own steam until a force changes their direction for some reason. So we used a hand connection, but our arms were jelly until the direction changed, and then we get back to completely relaxed. And then the followers could press their knuckles into the leader's palms. So if you're looking really closely at the hands, the stretch was fingers, and the compression was the followers punching the leader's palms. So this is a really exaggerated version of it.
Very, very gentle punches. Let's just clarify that.
The hands stay low at hip height, and they are allowed to bend and smush out to the side. So you do end up changing the distance between you and your palm. Alright.
We then added some turns and basket wraps to this.
So the followers are on a line. The leaders have to get out of the way to change places. The followers never get off their line.
We don't go around the leads.
If I wanted to, I can keep hold of a hand, which would cause a rotation. Or I can lift the hand over the follow's head. And it's not until I stop that the follower actually turns. And even after the turn, there is still backwards energy. So if I go after feet, it will keep moving in this direction.
Yeah. It's not a stop. It's not a strong direction change with the ones that are those pivots and turns.
With all of that, we just added triple steps. So we could do a bunch of like lifty hoppy type shapes and just dance through everything. And as long as the arms are relaxed, you can end up in some more interesting shapes, but only if you end up with jelly arms. If you end up with really strong frames, all of these weird things don't quite work out. Alright, we then did basket wraps.
Yep.
Leaders, if you go to the right, your right hand has to go over the follow's head. And that way you can end up with the follows in this shape here, for the basket wrap. And then if I caught both hands, we can change directions and let go. So if I go to the left, left hand over, catch both hands.
So as a follower, I'm not turning, I'm just travelling forward and backwards for this.
Now, if the leaders decided to only catch one hand, then the followers would unwrap the end of their line. And if I let go before the rock step, the followers will just keep spinning down that line.
Rotation momentum.
So I'm going to catch, let go. So phase energy is a direction with rotation. Now if I let go after the rock step, so we've got rotation, we've got a rock step, and then I release, all that energy has been reversed. So
Bounces back.
the direction and rotation get reversed back in the other direction. So basket wrap, rotation, redirection, release. And then it's sitting on the back. And then we had to play with doing 6 count basics and then a tuck turn, but then just keep going rather than stopping after 6 counts. So you're going to end up doing all the shapes that we were today, but having a bit more ability to kind of invent stuff and make stuff up, just using momentum to play around with different things. Anything else in the class?
I think that was everything.
Cool. And cut.